when President Barack Obama and Romney face off on Monday in their third and final debate. It will be the Republican challenger's last best chance to recover from his botched Libya moment and exploit vulnerabilities in his opponent's foreign policy record. But Romney has an uphill struggle to make his case against Obama, who will be buoyed by the advantages of incumbency as well as polls showing him with an edge, though a shrinking one, on the question of who is more trusted in global affairs. This week's debate in Boca. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Tone, Florida, coming just 15 days before the election and devoted entirely to foreign policy, could be the riskiest of the three nationally televised showdowns for Romney, largely because of his inexperience and recent blunders on the world stage. Romney's missteps in criticizing Obama's handling of a deadly September attack on the U.S. diplomatic mission in Benghazi, the focus of a vividly testy exchange in the previous debate, have complicated his broader strategy of trying to